Musiikkitalo, or Helsinki Music Centre, opened in August 2011 after a century-long ambition for a dedicated concert hall in Helsinki. Rooted between Finlandia Hall, the Parliament and Kiasma, it was built on former VR railway warehouses to create a civic landmark that both respects its neighbours and signals a new cultural era, designed by LPR Arkkitehdit. The design subtly nestles into the Töölönlahti shoreline by pushing much of its volume underground, under a gentle green copper roof terrace. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls open its foyer toward the park and city, making the interior feel welcoming rather than hidden. The 1,504-seat vineyard-style concert hall, crafted by acclaimed acoustician Yasuhisa Toyota, is praised for its balanced clarity and warmth. 4 additional halls, Camerata, Organo, Sonor, Black Box, plus a rehearsal hall, serve everything from chamber music and organ recitals to amplified performances and opera training, making it an intimate educational training ground for Sibelius Academy students co-owned by the state, the city, and YLE. Musiikkitalo hosts 3 major institutions: Helsinki Philharmonic Orchestra, Finnish Radio Symphony Orchestra, and Sibelius Academy. Beyond concerts, its public foyers, cafe, exhibits, and music shop make it an open cultural hub showcasing over 1,000 events yearly, from jazz to student showcases, many free to the public.